To give your particular video footage a certain look, you can use LUT, which are presets of color corrections. So to use LUT, first of all, you need to import out LUT files, and to do that, you need to go around under adjustment, and over here you can see LUT is an option. So you can go around and click on import right here, and once you do that, you can navigate around to the folder on your computer where you have your LUT stored out. So what you can do is you can select out multiple LUTs that you may have stored, and you can click on open right here, and the LUT will be loaded out, and you get a sample of how they look as well. You can go around and then, let's say for example, click right here and see how the LUT will actually look. So once you click on this, you can see that you get more of a bluish tone over here on the video. Click on this one, it is more bright right here. Click on this, it's more yellow. So you can see that you get different movie looks right here, just like this. So that is what you have. You can go around and bring in your LUT over here and add it out as an effect, as you can see right here, and change around the strength over here for the LUT over here, just like this as well. Let me just go around and delete this and take this particular video footage. So what you can do is you can select this out, and then you can go around over here onto adjustment, and here you can see that LUT is an option. So you can go around over here and choose LUT directly for this particular video footage as well, just like this, and then adjust out the strength right here. On top of this, you can also go around and add in another LUT right here, just like this, as an adjustment effect right here, just like this, to utilize multiple LUTs as well. And this is how the final result is, as you can see, just like this. You got the new color look to this video. So that is how you can import and use LUTs inside of CapCut desktop editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.